you want to buy a home for less than it's worth? Buying a home at a lower price than its value gives you immediate equity. Meet TJ and Susie. They were first-time home buyers that bought a home for $375,000, with the property appraised for $397,000. That means on closing day, they immediately made $22,000 in equity. So how do you buy a home for less than it's worth? What will your mortgage payment be? Will it fit your budget? Because buying a home is such a huge part of our lives, I want to give you my Mortgage Buyer Toolkit. This kit includes a cheat sheet to buying a home for less than it's worth, a mortgage calculator for very precise monthly payment estimates, a financial affordability worksheet, homebuyer education, and a credit report review and analysis. I invite you to click below to download my Mortgage Buyer Toolkit now. Let's figure out your budget and use my mortgage calculator to keep you on target. You can also enjoy a worry-free transaction with my homebuyer education course and that cheat sheet to buying a home for less than it's worth. So go ahead, click below now to download this invaluable toolkit for free. You'll be happy you did. Take care.